Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum day or night full comparison. Start by cleansing and patting skin dry before applying a vitamin C serum. Use 3 to 5 drops and gently press into face and neck, avoiding immediate eye contact. Let product absorb for 1 to 2 minutes before layering moisturizers or sunscreen. Adjust concentration and frequency if you have sensitive skin or are using active treatments. In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum day or night full comparison. Start by testing a small patch behind the ear or on the jawline to gauge tolerance. For most people, 10% to 20% provides a balance of efficacy and comfort. Introduce stronger formulas gradually and pause use if you notice persistent redness, stinging, or peeling. Always pair vitamin C with sunscreen during daytime routines. In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum day or night full comparison. Quick recommendation: try the leak-proof containers I mentioned for easy meal prep and less cleanup so you can stick to healthy habits that support skin goals. They seal tightly and stack neatly in the fridge, which pairs well with consistent routines. If you want the link and discount details, check the description. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum day or night full comparison. Think of vitamin C as an early layer that goes on after toner and before creams. If you use retinoids, consider vitamin C in the morning and retinoids at night, or alternate evenings to minimize irritation. When combining acids, monitor skin closely and reduce frequency if you notice sensitivity or compromised barrier function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.